loves, and welcome back to my channel. So to start the year, I wanted to share my beauty products that I emptied from 2020 and if I'm going to repurchase these products this year. So if you guys are ready, then let's get started. So let's start with hair care. So first is this Batiste dry shampoo. I have tried different scents and I love them. So yes, I would absolutely buy this dry shampoo and it's pretty comparable to other higher end dry shampoo. Second is this Pantene hairspray and I use this for my kit. I would repurchase this because of the performance. I usually get this on sale for half of the price. It is a must-have. Now let's move on to skincare. First is this body wash from Alafia. So I got this from Winners or TJX. I am not repurchasing this because I don't feel that it is moisturizing enough for my skin, especially in winter. Second is this Garnier Micellar cleansing water. I do love this one. I use it for my kit especially to refill, and I would repurchase this because it's good for sensitive skin and even for waterproof makeup. Next are vitamin C serum. So I have two different brands. First is this Henriksen Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum, and I did enjoy this one. I actually already have two extra in my stash, so yes, 2021 I will still be using this. Second is from Drunk Elephant. This is also vitamin C. This is their C-firma Dye Serum. Unfortunately, I won't be repurchasing this one because obviously I already did like this one better. Next are lip balm or lip treatment. I have the Fresh Sugar Advanced Therapy. I really like this one. This is very hydrating and moisturizing for my lips, especially for winter. So yes, I would repurchase this. Next is from First Aid Beauty. This is their Ultra Repair Lip Therapy. Unfortunately, I will not repurchase this and pick this one over the First Aid Beauty. Next is the Sephora Collection Glow Pill Pads. So this is for smoothing and radiance. I really enjoyed this one. It comes with 60 pads and it is pretty affordable. So yes, I would still repurchase this. Next is a pill pad treatment from Philosophy. This is called Clear Days Ahead. Basically a treatment for your acne because it has salicylic acid. I did enjoy this one, so I would repurchase this. Next is from Badescu, their drying lotion. This is one of the products that I use whenever I have my acne breakout. But then I discovered another brand, which is the Kate Somerville. They are pretty similar, but I get more sediments than this one, and the price difference is very little. So unfortunately, I won't repurchase this one. Rather, I would get the Kate Somerville. Next is the Tatcha One Step Camellia Cleansing Oil. Ingredients wise are good. It's another clean beauty brand. Unfortunately, because of the price, I would buy a different brand that works pretty similar and also clean brand. Another one is from Tatcha as well. This is their Polish Classic Rice Enzyme Powder. It really does exfoliate my skin gently. It's safe to use morning and at night, and it does last quite a long time. So yes, I would repurchase this product. And then another one from Philosophy, from the same line, Clear Days Ahead. This is their oil-free salicylic acid acne treatment and moisturizer. I really like this one, especially whenever I have flare out breakout. It does work two-way because it is a salicylic treatment and a moisturizer in one. So yes, I would repurchase this product. Next are moisturizers. So first is from Believe. This is the True Cream Aqua Balm. This is very lightweight. I really like it. It is a clean beauty brand, so I would repurchase this moisturizer. Next is from Sephora Collection. It is their firming sleeping cream. I love this firming cream, guys. Even if it is a cream and it's a bit more dense in texture and formulation, it doesn't break me out. It really makes my skin supple and soft. So yes, I would repurchase this for sure, especially with the price point. Next again is from Philosophy, Renewed Hope in a Jar with SPF 30. So this is good in the morning, but because I have oily combination skin, I find that this is pretty oily or greasy for me, especially underneath makeup. So it is a pass for me, unfortunately. So that's everything for skincare. And now I know you guys are excited for this. We are moving on with makeup. This one is from Too Faced. So as you guys can see, I hit pan already. I use this for myself and for my clients, and I love it. It works for almost all skin tones. So yes, I would repurchase this. Next is from MAC. This is their Studio Fix powder. So yeah, heat pen as well. And yes, I would repurchase this because it gives you nice coverage. At the same time, it doesn't look cakey on the skin. Next is one of the cult favorite from Stila, liquid glitter eyeshadows. Don't get me wrong, I really love this. The only thing is it dries pretty quickly and they cost like $30 something. Unfortunately, I won't be repurchasing this because I found a dupe from drugstore, which is the e.l.f. glitter liquid eyeshadow, and they are very cheap, $3 or $5 only. So if you guys haven't tried the e.l.f., then make sure you do, and you're very welcome. Next is my favorite highlighter. So this one is from Tarte, looking so rough, and I obviously going to repurchase this over and over again because this is my absolute favorite. Next is from Essence. This is their Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. I like this one because this is pretty comparable to the Benefit Gimme Brow. It's not as good as the Gimme Brow, but for an everyday kind of use, this is only $3.99, I believe. I would repurchase this because of the price, and it does work pretty good. So next is a primer from Boscia. This is the Perfecting White Charcoal Mattifying Primer. I would repurchase this because it's a skincare brand, so it just doesn't work as makeup, but it's also good for your skin. Next are mascaras. So first is the Dior Show Maximizer. This is their triple volume plumping lash primer. Unfortunately, I won't be repurchasing this because there are other brands that are way cheaper that works the same way. Next is a waterproof mascara. This one is from Too Faced. This is the Better Than Sex mascara. I've been loving this one, so I would repurchase this for sure. Next is a loose powder foundation. This one is from Bare Minerals. This is their matte powder foundation with SPF 15. Unfortunately, I won't be repurchasing this because I discovered another clean brand, which is Tarte, and they have amazing powder foundation that has more coverage than this, and they also have sunscreen. Next are foundation. One is from Makeup Forever, and then the other one is from Bobbi Brown. Love them. I use them on my kit. Price wise with the Bobbi Brown, I think I have other brands that are a bit cheaper that works quite similar to this, so unfortunately I'm not purchasing this. Forever, I highly recommend buying this Ultra HD foundation. It is medium to full coverage and it is good for any skin types. So if you're also a makeup artist trying to build your kit, this is a must have. Next are setting spray. So first is the very popular Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. It is pretty good. No doubt I would repurchase this especially for my kit. It works for any skin type. This is the Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray from Too Faced. I would repurchase this for my kit. This is really good for clients who have dry skin. And this is what I use for myself. This is the Too Faced Peach Mist Mattifying Setting Spray. I like this one besides from the fact that you really have to shake it very well before using it. Otherwise, you'll get that white spots. Only reason why I won't be repurchasing this because I have found other mattifying setting spray that are less inconvenient than using this one. Next are liquid matte lipsticks. First is from drugstore. This is from NYX. This is their lingerie. I won't be repurchasing this because of the texture of it. It's not as comfortable on the lips, I find, and it doesn't last that long. And then the next one is very popular. This one is from Kat Von D, their Everlasting Liquid Matte Lipstick. The shade is Lolita 2. I also have the Lolita that I also emptied. Those two colors are very beautiful, so I will absolutely repurchase them, and they last all day. And then the next one is from ColourPop. This is their Ultra Matte Lipstick. And unfortunately, I won't be purchasing them because even though they are cheaper, it is pretty drying on the lips. And then last but not the least is from Stila. This is their Stay All Day Liquid Matte Lipstick. I like this one. They have lots of shades and it does last all day and it's very comfortable on the lips. So yes, I would repurchase this for sure. I was just kidding. Last but not the least is my favorite contour palette. This one is from NYX again. This is their Highlight and Contour Pro palette. So you guys can see, it is pretty empty. The contour is really good. I use this every day and it is only about $28. So I would 100% repurchase this and I would recommend it for you guys to try it. So that's everything today, guys, and I hope you enjoy me sharing all my empties from 2020 and help you decide which products you have to check out this year. Again, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you know whenever I upload a new video. I hope to see you guys again next week. Take care and keep safe.